I like her shirt. And Summer, I've known Summer for a little bit, maybe 6, 7
like a
months.
year.
Year?
Yeah.
She's on my wall.
I am.
On my wall.
I'm on the wall.
On the wall.
Yes.
What are you on the wall for? What's going on and how's your life coming along?
For overcoming mental health issues and for also overcoming addiction.
Addiction to drugs?
Yeah, to smoking. Smoking weed, yeah.
Weed, wow. Not bananas.
Yeah, well, now I'm smoking bananas.
Yeah.
Now I eat like 8 bananas a day,
Wow.
around there. Yeah. Yeah, I've been eating raw. I've been following my path and my true purpose. And I feel like from eating raw foods and getting those oils and fat or salts and cooked foods out of my system, now my mind is so much clearer, I'm so much happier, I'm so much more motivated and excited for the day.
Every moment's a moment of love, right?
Every moment's a moment of
Super.
love.
It's like, no matter what, like today I'm washing dishes, right? Super happy. Right now I'm missing out on it.
Yeah.
She said, oh, can we help? Nah, we can wash the dishes ourselves.
Yeah.
So, so what's going on as far as what's going on? So you're just at a fruit farm and now you're just checking things out. You got to figure out what's going on.
Yeah, I'm just taking it day by day, seeing what's happening in our community right now and all of the craziness and trying to process that with
It's a lot of
compassion.
craziness, isn't it?
Yeah.
A lot.
Yeah.
The
It's
thing
a
is,
lot.
The way I look at it is to my benefit.
Yeah.
I started my garden, right?
Yeah, we definitely have more time to do things.
You have more time.
Sorry.
You know, I learned not to depend on anybody for my happiness, which I never did.
Yeah.
Me, myself, and I.
Definitely.
That's Party City. I'm on vacation every single moment.
Yeah, it's definitely been a great time for self-reflection and self-growth. Hopefully a lot of people took advantage of that. I think as a whole, like conscious collective, we're
Right.
all just going up, and it's only going up from here.
It is. It
Yeah.
is. I mean, it appears like it's pure something, but
It's a new time.
it's a
Pure
new time.
love.
You got to really redirect your energies to what's important, what's not important. A lot of people
Yeah.
losing their jobs. A lot
Yeah.
of businesses are going under, but it's not necessarily a bad thing. I mean,
No.
people just have to refocus on what they really want.
There's always a purpose and a
There's
reason behind
yeah,
everything. Yeah.
So right now we're at, my garden is beyond. Today we did 1,800 plants in 150 square feet.
Crazy.
1,800 plants.
What did you plant?
We planted, 2 days ago we planted strawberries, right? It's like little nothing. You know what? Little nothing. And now we see they're starting to sprout. So what the heck? We also planted 6 tomato plants, right?
Wow.
They were dead when we put an end to this planter. Hear that, Daryl? They were dead. Daryl invented a torpedo pot, which I may see afterwards. I'm not sure. I'm gonna give him a call so where to go visit him. You know what history in the making is? History in the making, which means he's taking a planter and put 100 seeds into a planter of 2 square feet,
Yeah.
and you never have to maintain it.
Really?
You don't have to maintain it.
Did you get your tunnel going?
That's it. That's called torpedo.
Oh,
We have
that's what it is.
18 of them.
Oh, wow.
We have 18
Okay.
torpedoes.
Last time I saw Arnold, like a little less than a year ago, he was talking about making 1, and now he has 18.
18, yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, so we're good. So we're very happy about that.
Awesome.
I'm just happy just in general. I'm just happy hanging out with me, myself, and I. It's like Party City. That's what happens when you're mostly raw. And it's the energy of life just it comes into your being.
Yeah, because you're eating life, living foods. And what other food wants to be eaten besides fruit, right?
Right.
We spread its seeds.
That's right.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know any animal. Hey, animal, you want to be eaten today? Hey, chicken, you want to be eaten today? You want to be killed? Neck cut? I don't think so.
No, it's not. It's low vibrational
It's
food.
low vibration.
It's all about the high vibes.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm with Sam. Anything else you want to say, Samra?
Yeah,
You'll be
just
doing videos with me again, right?
Yeah, of
come over,
course.
come
I'll be over.
Yeah.
I'll be coming over.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, you guys will see me in the future.
Oh, good. Yay. Anything else?
Yeah. Just like stay positive. I think now is a great time for change. I think everything is starting to align. We're all starting to align with our true purpose. Yeah, just hold on.
Hold on.
Yeah. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.